Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'll quickly explain what is Google Photos and how it works. So, it's a free application from Google that stores your photos and videos online. It's available for all platforms, so you can install it on your Android or your iPhone or some another platform. The most useful feature here is that it backs up your photos and videos automatically, so if you lose your phone, your photos will be safe. And as you can see right here, my backup is complete, and also we have a storage here. So for free you have only 15 gigabytes, but if you want to pay, you can make something more. And we have different plans. You can pay for it monthly or per year, and it will be cheaper. You can access your photos and videos from any device. It could be your laptop, tablet, phone or something else by just logging into your Google account. It also sorts your photos by people, places, also we have moments here, and that's pretty much it. A simple way to keep your memorized backup and organized. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.